What's the meaning of corkage? Corkage. Corkage.
Corkage. Corkage. Corkage is a fee charged by restaurants for opening and serving a bottle of wine that a customer brings in themselves. The fee covers the cost of the restaurant's service and use of glassware. Corkage fees vary, and some restaurants may waive the fee if the wine is from a local vineyard or if the customer purchases other items on the menu. It is important to note that not all restaurants allow corkage, so it is best to check with the establishment beforehand to avoid any misunderstandings or surprises.